Here's how top brands delete fakes instantly. No waiting on Amazon support anymore with the new Project Zero. So you can block, remove, and prevent counterfeits. Pretty much utilizes AI, gives you instant access, yada, yada, fun stuff. But this is what it looks like. You're going to log in to brandregistry.amazon.com. You do need a trademark, and you have to have reported people previously to get approved. But you're going to go to Protect and then click on Project Zero. Once you're there, it's going to look like this, and it's going to say if you're eligible or not. If you're not eligible, it's literally going to tell you that you're not eligible, and it's going to tell you how you can get eligibility. You can also contact Amazon support and then or brand registry support and say, hey, why am I not eligible? I should be eligible, and kind of just go through that to figure out why you're not eligible and how to actually get eligible for this. Now, if you are eligible, you can kind of go here again, and you're going to see what it looks like when you are eligible. It's going to say, get started. You are eligible to enroll one brand in Project Zero. So super exciting stuff. You just get started. You just click confirm pretty much, and then you're automatically eligible. What this does is Amazon's going to start using AI. They're going to like scan your product, your trademark, scan all of the listings on Amazon, and just start removing people left and right. So I'll give you an example. Like if they're selling we can do like a fake Stanley product, Amazon's going to automatically remove them and say, give us your letter of authorization, or we're not going to let you list this product. Also, brands no longer need to contact Amazon to remove counterfeits. So what you usually have to do is you submit a counterfeit, Amazon reviews it, denies it, or approves it. In this case, Amazon automatically approves it, so you can automatically remove counterfeits, which is super nice. Also, product serialization, right? I think this one is optional. With service, we can detect and stop. Yeah, this one is optional. But what is Project Zero? Where is Project Zero currently available? What are the eligibilities? You can read that here. I just joined Brand Registry. Am I eligible? Probably not. You have to start reporting people to become eligible, and then kind of go through the process and get eligibility for this. So that way you have ultimate power to remove sellers as quickly as humanly possible, especially when they're selling fakes like Stanley's. Like, if you try to list a Stanley product, Amazon's going to scan your product, know that you're selling a Stanley just from the logo, and then ask you for a letter of authorization, which is great if you're a big brand on Amazon. But that's it for today's video. If you want a free listing audit, we offer that below to help all of our clients and people just reviewing videos get a free listing audit. It's great practice for us, and it's going to give you a lot of information on who your top competitors are and exactly how to improve your listing. This isn't some BS. This is legit way to improve your listing on Amazon and increase your sales. Feel free to get it in the link below. But that's it for today's video. One more Amazon videos. Tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. We also do infringement management, where we'll monitor your listings, report fakes, and then help get you approved for Project Zero. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.